sometimes in the ocean, lures don't work as well. I will admit. Oh, I have a fish. I have a fish, guys. Oh, no way. Is that a croaker? What is that? No way. Guys, I got one. Oh, yeah. Guys, check it out. A little tiny dinker speckled trout, but it's still a speckled trout. Sweet. That is awesome, guys. He's probably about 12 inches, but maybe not even. But yeah, look at that. I'm just gonna unhook him. Don't flop on me, dude. Hook came out real easy. I'm just gonna toss him back in.